Hi, this is exposure compensation. This is flash compensation. 3 minutes of photography telling you the differences between these two.
Action!
When you're using aperture or shutter priority exposure mode, the camera will always meter your exposure to mid-tone like this. In fact, you won't even see your exposure meter. The camera practically takes over and say, "Oi, you shut up, I do the exposure," so you don't see the meter, and so everything will be metered to mid-tone. So how do you make your camera darker or brighter, getting shots like this? Silhouettes. And then you have to use this knob or this button. So some cameras use a knob, some cameras use a button like this. This is called exposure compensation. As you can see, when I turn this knob to +2, I'm forcing the camera to be brighter. And if I turn this knob the other way, -1, -2, -3, I'm simply making the camera darker now. So you have low-key shots or silhouette shots, and then you have high-key shots looking like this. And don't confuse yourself with this though. This is called flash compensation. When you turn your flash to TTL mode, it's automatic mode. Again, it's trying to give you the best lighting. But how do you make the flash brighter or darker? That's what you do. And by doing so, you increase or decrease the flash output, giving you shots like this. So one makes your camera brighter or darker. The other one makes your flash more powerful or less powerful. So at this point you must be wondering, what are the differences between an exposure compensation and a flash exposure compensation? Let me show you some of my mistakes. This one, she's overexposed because of the camera's exposure compensation being too high. And this one is because of the flash compensation being too high. So you can see the differences. One is because the camera is too bright. The other one because the flash is too bright. And one of our viewers asked this question: is there a difference between using the camera's exposure compensation or using the flash? Let me do a separate tutorial on this. And hey, write to us, info@beyond.photos, and win yourself an e-learning because your question gets featured. Well done. And there you have it, 3 minutes of effective photography lessons. I bet you like what you learned in this channel, then head on to this website here. Check out our e-learning, check out our premium courses, and check out our all access, especially the premium courses, because it's just $39 of lessons uploaded every week for the whole year. That's the price of the whole year. And wide topic of photography too. So I'll see you on my website.